Hi, I'm Scott Tomlinson with Clinical Trials Ontario. In this video tutorial, I'll demonstrate how REBs can change the document name, version date, and/or version number for any document of a submission. The REB can do this upon request from the study team, even after the form has been submitted. When completing the application, it's possible that the study team makes a typo for the document name, version date, or version number when they're uploading a document to their form. Typically, the study team will notice this after they've received their REB approval letter. At this point, they should immediately contact the REB of record to notify them of the error. The REB can change the document name, version number, and version date of any document that's attached to the submission by going to the Documents tab of the Submission Timeline page. The first step is to open the submission containing the documents that need to be corrected. Once you're on the Submission Timeline page, click the Documents tab to view the list of documents that were uploaded to the submission by the study team. Click anywhere on the row containing the documents that you need to correct to open the Document Edit pop-up window. From here, you'll be able to change the document name, the version date, and/or version number. Then once you're finished making your changes, press the Save button. Once you've verified in the Form Documents table that the document now appears correctly, you can reissue the letter for the application by using either the Send Approval Letter or Send Acknowledgement Letter that's visible under the Action menu. As a reminder, these buttons stay visible even after the original letter has been sent, so that the REB can reissue the approval letter or acknowledgement letter if necessary. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions about CTO Stream or are having any technical issues, visit support.ctontario.ca to submit a help desk ticket. You can visit ctontario.ca for more video tutorials, user guides, quick guides, and tip sheets.